All right, it's food plotting time. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, we're going some food plots today. It's no-till. I don't have big equipment and whatnot, so we're going to be using my Bad Boy lawnmower. We're going to be using my tow behind spreader and a backpack sprayer. Today, what we're going to be planting is winter rye and Austrian winter peas up here on the top. On the bottom left, we're going to be planting just straight winter rye. And on the bottom right, we're going to be planting a brassica blend from Northwoods Whitetails up there with John Comp. But that's what we're going to be doing today. Go ahead and tag along. If you notice I have a different shirt on, it's because I lost a few files here, so I had to re-record this section. So, hey, hang in there and enjoy the video. All right, we got all the seeding done. That didn't go too bad. Now I need to get my backpack sprayer. Actually, no. First, I'm gonna get my my drag harrow. I'm gonna drag all this in for you real quick. All right, that was dusty. But we got all the dragging in. Got good seed coverage with everything, so it looks really, really nice. Now I sprayed all of this on August the 2nd with glyphosate and 2,4-D. That I do that every year. It seems to take care of everything. It knocks everything out. So I'm gonna spray almost everything, kind of a spot spray with glyphosate only, no 2,4-D on this application, and that'll be it. All right, that is it. We got all the seed out. We got everything drug in, and we got everything sprayed. That all the stuff that was coming back up from the last spraying. Supposed to have rain in the forecast tomorrow, so we'll cross our fingers on that. The good thing about what I'm planting here, the rye is going to come up. It doesn't matter. The rye is going to come up. I have extra. I have another 2 bags of winter rye. That's another 100 pounds, and that's about enough for an acre. And then I have another 3-pound bag of the brassica blend, and that's good for an acre too. So I got plenty of seed just in case this doesn't want to come up. The brassica blend from Northwood Whitetails that I'm using this year is the Southern blend, and so it's for short season. So it's supposed to. I mean, I should be able to plant this even in October, and it still do well. So we're gonna test it. I planted it. What's today's? The 6th? No, I don't have a watch on me, but I think it's the 5th or 6th. The 5th of September, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see how good it does. That's it for the food plot today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and YouTube thinks that you might like this video right here. So go ahead and give it a look. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next video.